Hi, third grade, it's Mrs. D'Amico here. We're going to work on Unit 5, Week 1, Day 4 today. Let's get started with our drill sounds warm-up. Repeat after me, everybody. Ready? A, wash, ah.
A wash ah.
A, squash, ah.
A squash ah.
A, safe, a.
A safe a.
E, ed, eh.
E ed f.
E, Pete, e.
E Pete e.
Schwa, wagon, or I.
Schwa, wagon, up or in.
Good. I, pine, I.
I pine I.
U, up,
You up up.
U, mule, you.
You mule you.
U, rule, oo.
You roll oo.
And IVE, give, iv.
IVE give in.
Excellent. Okay, third grade. So in Unit 5 in Fundations, we've been talking about words that sometimes have a what? Schwa sound. A schwa sound is a vowel that makes an unexpected sound. Remember all of this? So I think it's important to remember, though, that not every single word has a what? Not every word has a schwa. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to use my syllable frames and write the syllable parts, and you're going to be kind of the schwa detectives and tell me, do you think this word has a schwa? If so, we'll mark it. And if not, it's okay. It's still a word, and we'll mark it. Okay, so the first word, look at the first syllable. What is it? In. Look at the second syllable. What is it? The whole word then is insist. If I insist that you do something for me, I really want you to what?
Do it.
Okay, so is there an unexpected vowel sound here in the first syllable?
No.
Mm-mm. How about this one? Ist. So does this have a schwa? No, it does not. And if we were to mark it, well, oh boy, here we go. I better get my chalk if it's in here. We scoop the syllables. We know that, right? In, what kind of vowel? It is, you're telling me what kind of syllable. It's a closed syllable with a short vowel, right? What kind of syllable here? Closed again with another short vowel. We do not need to put the schwa symbol because there is no schwa in this word, okay? Okay, let's try a different word. Since insist did not have a schwa, let's try this one. Here's the first syllable. Look at it. Say it. Ran. This one. Is it random? No. This one then, does it have a schwa?
Yes.
It does. Is the schwa in the first syllable? No. This one is closed, and that's like an, fan, an, right? This one, though, where am I putting the schwa symbol over, Juliana? Yes. Okay, so the upside down E, that schwa symbol goes there. Is it still closed? Yes, but random. If I asked you a random question, or if I chose random participants to come help me, it's just like, I don't know. How else would you explain random? Not planned, right? Just random.
Random girl.
Okay, good job. All right, third grade. For this next part, I have some live actors and actresses who are actually going to be participating in this learning activity. Everybody in this room just received a card, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Some of your cards have a number 1 up in the corner. If you have a number 1 up in the corner, there should be 8 of you. Stand up and come line up here. That means that your syllable is the first syllable in the word. Okay. Now, spread out. You can go head over there too. Are there 8 of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, so could you please hold up the card so that the camera can see it? We have prob, ab, sal, ton, drag. What's this one? Trav, lem, and tau. All right. The rest of you who are still sitting, you have the second syllable. Okay, so who sitting thinks they have a syllable that matches the word prob? Bring it up. What's your syllable? Everybody, what's the whole word? Problem. All right. Bring it on up. And you two, actually, why don't you head to the back? Okay. Who has sitting down a word part that will match ab? Jude, what do you think? Sent. What's the whole word? Absent. Okay, you two, go make your word over there. In the back of the room, there's more space. Who's sitting has a word part that matches sow? Sow. Yes?
No.
He's right. What is it? Id. It looks like ad, sal-ad, but it's a schwa. What's the word, everybody? Salad. Okay, you two go ahead. Who has a word part sitting down that goes with ton? What's your word part? Tonsil. What's the word, though? Tonsil. That has a schwa. Okay, you two get together, make your word. What's this word? Drag. Who has one? Drag on. How do we say the word? Dragon. Okay, go back to there. All right, come on, Matea. Who has one that goes with trav? Juliana, what is it? Travel. Who has one that goes with lem? Lemon, even though the word is lemon. And who has one that goes with towel? Go ahead, what is it? Talent. Okay, all of you stand in the back of the room and form your words. Okay, we just made 8 words that have a schwa in them, and now the students are going to report what words they made. What word, girls?
Lemon.
Lemon. What word? Put them together.
Talent.
Talent. What word?
Travel.
Travel. What word?
Dragon.
Dragon. What word?
Tonsil.
Tonsil. What word?
Salad.
Salad. Good job. What word back here?
Absent.
Absent. And last but not least?
Problem.
Problem. Great work, 3rd grade. Okay, 3rd grade. The next thing we did in class was we worked on this cursive page. These ones are all connected. So you'll see you have lowercase n's, lowercase m's, and then you have N-E-N-E as a nonsense word, and M-E-M-E as a nonsense word. And then you have 3 real words that you should be practicing writing at home. The first word is meaning. Then we have summer. And then we have swimming. Okay, so I told the boys and girls in school, you could write it once here, trace it, write it once on your own here, and then 2 more times down below. So each word should be written 4 times, 1 time traced and 3 times on your own. If you don't have this paper at home, it's okay. Just use some blank paper and practice writing meaning, summer, swimming. Okay, the last thing that we did in Fundations today was our dictation composition book. So everybody take out composition book, and the page number, it might be a little bit off, but I want everyone turning to page 14, please. 14. Put the date up at the top. Okay, on top of page 14, the first sound I want everybody to write is W. Say it. W. Write it. Put a comma if you need it. W. All right, what's one thing you wrote?
W.
W. Win. W. And
W-H.
W-H. Whistle. W. Hopefully you got both of those. Move over to sound number 2. Your second sound is ch. Say it. Ch. Go ahead. All right, one thing you wrote for ch. Go.
C-H.
C-H. Chinch. What's something else?
T-C-H. Catch.
T-C-H. Catch. Very good. All right, go over to number 3. The next thing I want you to write is Eind. Say it. Eind. Go. What did we write for Eind? I-N-D. Find. Eind. Correct? All right, make one more space. Go over to number 4. I want you to write Oast. Say it. Oast. Go ahead. Okay, what did we write for oast?
O-S-T post-oast.
O-S-T, post, oast. Correct. Good work. All right, head down to the next section on page 14, review words. Are you ready? Okay, the first word I want you to write for review words. Spell it first and then mark it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Scold. Say it.
Scold.
My teacher had to scold us for talking too much. Let's tap it. Go. Old. One of those cards says old. Scold. Okay, let's take a look. Let's spell scold together. Everybody go. S-C-O-L-D. And we marked the blend at the beginning. We boxed in the closed syllable exception and put a maker on. And then we scooped it. That is a closed syllable what? Exception. Okay, next to review word number 2, our word. There's a base word and a suffix. So we're going to underline the base word, circle the suffix. Our word is brush, brushes. What word? Brushes. Go ahead. All right, third grade, let's all spell together the base word. Go. B-R-U-S-H. Did you underline it?
Yes.
Okay, what suffix for brushes?
E-S.
Did you circle yes?
Yes.
Good. Next to number 3, I want you to write the next word. This one also has a base word and a suffix. The word is brave, bravest. Go. Bravest. All right, third grade, let's all spell just the base word, brave. Ready? Go. B-R-A-V-E. Now that is a vowel-e word, yes? And you're attaching a vowel suffix. So hopefully at home you remember to drop the E and insert it above before attaching EST and circling it. How'd we do here? Good. Okay, move over to number 4. The last word for review words is base word, kind, kindness. What's the whole word? Kindness. Kindness is an important trait. Kindness. Okay, let's all spell our base word, kind. Ready? Go. K-I-N-D. What's the suffix? N-E-S-S. It's a consonant suffix, so you change nothing. Kindness. Okay, third grade, our next section is the current words. Okay, so these ones are from Unit 5. They may have a schwa sound that you need to mark. Maybe some of these words were words that you and your partners built earlier in the lesson. Are you ready for word number 1? The word is lemon. Say it. Lemon. First syllable. Lem. You got to figure out what makes the schwa sound. If you're not sure what makes the schwa sound, are you allowed to use a tool that you all have? Yep. Yeah, your spelling options section in your Castle notebook. Okay, let's see how we did. Let's spell lemon. Ready? Go. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Now to mark it, did you scoop the syllables? Lem, on. How did we mark lem, everybody? Closed with a brief. How about, where did we put the schwa? Over the what? Over the O, and it's still closed. How'd we do? Good? All right, move over to the other, number 2. Your word is travel. Say it. Travel. Some families will travel over the holidays. Travel. Go. All right, third grade, let's see how you did. Let's all spell travel together. Go. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Did you scoop it? Trav-o. Trav is what kind? Closed. Put a brief. What are we going to do with o? What are we putting the schwa above? Put the schwa above the E. It is still closed though, correct? All right, go to current word number 3. The word is dragon. Say it. Dragon. Go ahead. All right, third grade, let's see how you did with dragon. Let's spell it in unison. Ready? Go. D-R-A-G-O-N. Dragon. Did you scoop? Drag. Un. What kind of syllable is drag? Everybody. Closed. Put a breathe. Where are we putting our schwa symbol? Over what vowel? Yes. Over the O. Upside down E is our schwa, and it's still closed. Correct? Okay, the last word. Number 4. Tonsil. Say it. Your tonsil is in the back of your throat. Tonsil. All right, third grade, let's see. How did we do spelling tonsils? Say it all together. Go. T-O-N-S-I-L. Very good. That one might have been tricky, but it was in your spelling options section. Tonsil. What kind of syllable is ton? Everybody. Close. Put a brief. Sil. Where are we putting the schwa symbol over? What vowel? The I. And that is still closed. Very good. Okay, on page 14, your next section is sound-alike words. You're right. The first sound-alike word I want you to write is weather. Say it. Now listen to your sentence so you know which one. I don't know whether I want to wear a scarf or a hat. Weather. All right, let's see how you did with weather. Spell it all together. Go. W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Weather. Okay, the last one for your sound-alikes is plain. Say it. I wore a very plain shirt to school today. Plain. Write it. Okay, how did we do? Let's all spell that kind of plain. Ready? Go. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Okay, go down to your next section. We have trick words. Next to number 1, your first trick word I want you to write is does. Does anyone know how to spell does? All right, let's go over it. How do we spell it? Go. Does. D-O-E-S. Good. Move over to number 2. Your next trick word is brother. Say it. Brother. Spell it. All right, let's all spell brother together. Ready? Go. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Okay, we're going to move down and only do one sentence today. Here is your sentence. Capital letter better be on the brain. Here we go. That student has a talent for acting. I'll read it again. That student has a talent for acting. Okay, could somebody spell that and tell me what kind of capital letter? Go ahead.
Capital T.
Good.
A-A-T.
All right, check your that. How did you do? Should all be good. How about student? I'm a little nervous. Who wants to take over student? That student. Very good. S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Nice work. That student. Let's all spell has. Go. H-A-S. A. And now we need talent. Who can do that one? Talent. Go ahead.
T-A-L-E-N-T.
Very good. T-A-L-E-N-T. 4 we can all do. Go.
F-O-R.
F-O-R. Who's going to be brave for act? Acting. Go.
A-C-T-I-N-G.
You got it. All right. That student has a talent for acting. Did you remember punctuation?
Yes.
One person, tell me, how did you scoop this sentence? How did you scoop? Alex. He did 2 big scoops. That student has a talent for acting. I really like that option. All right, 3rd grade, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.